Okay, the bloody field actually come back to another video, guys. As you can see right now, I am in the bank of the forest. Welcome back, guys. Another look them, guys. Views are really amazing and stunning. Okay, you can see the trees are. You can see there are some very big salt trees. You can see, you can observe, guys. It is too big actually, and another is here. This is also very big. Yeah, this is also very big. You can see here. This is also too big, too long. I think maybe more than 20 feet. More than 20 feet. Yes. So many trees are there. You can see. Right now, I am in the bank of the forest. Look them, the stunning look of the forest. How wonderful! Yes. That side is my home actually, and I am right now 200 or 300 far from my home actually, and this is a very open ground where I am making some videos. I'm my English spoken in a way, okay, because most of the time I attract with the nature, that's why. Yeah, so this way I'm trying to improve myself, guys. Okay, this is a tree. I don't know what is the name of this tree. Actually, yes, if you will come and you will feel, oh my god, right now I'm in the heaven actually. So the wind of the air is very cold, and yes, you can feel it is very energetic actually. So there is no any pollution and no any sound. Okay, yeah, but most of the bird are not chirping. Just I'm waiting if some bird will chirp. Absolutely, I will try to capture on my camera. Okay, look them, the views of the forest are, guys. How wonderful is looking. Wow, I have come here right now. You can see there is a small pond where I come here to taking bath every day in the early morning. Okay, yeah, this is a pond. You must have noticed, if you are noticing in the camera, there is white, yes, white flower actually. Yes, I think that side, my side is also here. You can observe. Yes, this is, I think this is called the, yes, sacrum spontaneum. Yes, you must have seen actually. It's okay, actually this found everywhere. Yes, most of the country actually, tropical and subtropical, you must have, it will find easily. Okay, and yeah, and this is the dead trees. Yeah, dead trees, and yeah, actually I come here occasionally every morning to taking bath. I do fresh up, and later I spend here at least 30 minutes, or I enjoy. Just I try to actually spend a lot of time in the nature, and you can see the water is really deeply blue and very colorful. You can see, yeah, and also the birds are flying that side. and if you are visible, just enjoy the look of the nature. Okay, and if I will tell you that side the sun is going to setting, it's really amazing. Yeah, I think yes, I'm taking lot of energy from the sun, and also only paddy and paddy field, but there is nothing. And paddy and paddy field, I think this paddy was planted in the month of July. Yes, it's July, and yes, July that time. And right now you can see it really different, and it is about to yes, what it's called, it's about to catch the crops. Actually, after 1 or 2 months it will catch the crop. And yes, in end of the December, these all the crops will harvesting. Okay, they will harvest actually after end of December. All the crops will be harvesting. Okay, yeah, so this is a good thing. If there is, you can see the sky. Okay, because today the weather was really clear and sunny weather. That's why I decided, let's go outside and let's explore some things with the nature. So it's good thing, guys. Look them around. Okay, I will see you actually here. Yes, this is the place, this is the stone. If there is visible to take bath, and after getting fresh up, just I will go to home. Okay, it's really amazing, right? There is a frog. If there is visible, there is a frog. Yeah, it's good thing. Wow, how wonderful. Look them, guys. This is a small pond. Just I'm just moving around the pond. You can see here there is a lotus flower actually in the pond. Yeah, wow, very amazing insect. I don't know what it is. Oh my god, in the way I found suddenly, you know. Yeah, here you can see the crops has already about to getting ready. Yes, after a month, I think, yes, it will be ready after a month to harvesting. Yeah, you can see. And this is the bamboo trees. Yeah, this is the bamboo trees. I think bamboo is not a tree, it is a grass. Yeah, so do comment me on the comment box, bamboo is a tree or it is a grass. Look them. Till then I'm moving my camera and sun is going to reddish. You can see very slowly, and I am also going to, yes, decreasing my way toward the home. Right now I'm going to very close to the forest. Okay, here is a small neem tree, you can see. Yeah, actually I use the branch of the neem tree to clean my teeth actually, because I know if there is any insect or maybe what's it called, yes, any dust. Okay, so if you will take the tree of the neem tree or the branch, so it will remove all the dust particle of the your teeth and mouth, and you will feel fresh actually. And yes, and name is so it is name is actually it is used in medical sector, so it is good for health also. And also neem fruits, from fruits you it's make the oil, neem oil, so it is very good for our health actually. If there is any vessel or part of the body, okay, if you will apply the neem oil easily, so all the their virus will be destroyed, and yes, and you will get secure, you will relief, okay, from the any disease like any skin disease, right? So it is good, very good actually name. You can see, wow, look at them, the trees are very small and very looking stunning. Sun is setting, it's really amazing. This is the you can feel the yes, you can connect with the nature very directly. If there is visible, you can see the moon, there is moon in the sky. Yeah, this is the way guys actually I used to go to home, or just actually I used this way. I come by bicycle. Just right now I'm walking in my foot. Yeah, because my purpose is to making video and practice my English spoken. That's why just I'm keep going recording my video. Okay, so this is the way which leads to very close to the forest, bank of the forest. And yeah, I have to walk at least 300 meter. Okay, so I don't make too much long video, so just I'm going to full share. Okay guys, and I will see you another video if it is possible next time. Okay, so if you have watched very first time my video and you are thinking yes, love this video, because just one like, one subscribe I need. Yeah, because it's showing in the video actually, it's really stunning. Again, you can observe how wonderful is sun, marvelous. Okay, you can see guys again, just I don't want to escape this of the nature, right? That's why just I think I will show you again and again on my camera. Just I'm trying to capture the things. Just right now I'm sitting here. This is a yes, would actually be good. Yeah, just I want to say guys, what do you think? Do you think without forest or without nature can any life is possible? How it is possible? Alright, so I think where there is forest, there is a it save the nature. Not only save the nature, it's also it will help to control our ecosystem. You can see guys, actually the sun has already set, and I think it will be better to go to home right now, right? So just I am wind up my video here, and I will see you next video. So till then, keep smiling and make people laughing too. Always keep happy and healthy. Okay, see you guys. I will see you next video. All then, bye bye, take care, all the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. See you. Thank you.